My name is Selander. I'm a graphic design student here at Cleveland State. This past semester, I was able to get a position on the speech and debate team. I'm now the speech and debate assistant. So I help to plan trips, organize hotels and transportation. I also do a little bit of, because I'm a graphic design major, I do some graphic design work for the team, making flyers, and I made sweatshirts and things like that. I'm also the speech and debate captain this semester. I get to spend more time with the team and really get to know my team members as well as my coaches. The speech and debate team is a team for students to practice their public speaking skills and some argumentation. They learn skills of logic and reasoning. I've met so many friends through speech and debate, not even here at Cleveland State, even outside of Cleveland State. I've met so many friends. It's really a great way to meet new people and find common ground. As much as argumentation is about being divisive and polarizing, you really find common ground with your opponent. It seems really intimidating, it seems really daunting to join a team that's so competitive, but it's really open to everyone. I joined the debate team with zero experience, and I've been able to succeed because of that team. In the future, I'd love, with my graphic design skills, to design merchandise for musicians and bands and things. I love making album covers, t-shirt designs, and sticker designs. I want to work with other artists. I want to work collaboratively, really share my art with as many people as possible. Cleveland State is really helping me to reach into the future and define my tomorrow by really giving me the skills to succeed in graphic design as well as in public speaking and in logic and reasoning. It's giving me great friendships and great relationships to use in the future. I'm going to know people, I'm going to know fellow artists, and so I'm really able to pursue my dreams of graphic design, able to form those relationships and gain that education.